Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate fudge ice cream. Start by combining 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup sugar, and 1 cup cocoa in a saucepan and warm gently. Stir continuously until smooth and slightly thickened, then remove from heat and cool to room temperature. After cooling, churn in your ice cream maker until soft set, then fold in fudge chunks and freeze until firm. A few simple flavor tips can lift your chocolate fudge ice cream to the next level. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract at the end of the base cooling to enhance chocolate without overpowering it. Fold in 1/2 cup chopped fudge or chocolate chunks during the last minutes of churning for texture and fudge pockets. Choosing 60 to 70% cocoa gives a balanced bittersweet profile that pairs beautifully with the creamy base. If you don't have an ice cream maker, you can still make excellent chocolate fudge ice cream at home. Pour the cooled base into a shallow metal pan, freeze for 30 minutes, then vigorously scrape and whisk the partially frozen edges every 30 minutes until creamy. A hand mixer helps break up ice crystals between freezes. Once set, transfer to an airtight container to preserve texture and flavor in the freezer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.